stinking cute. Hello, everyone. Look at my buddy today. This is Little Dill. I just think he's the cutest thing ever. Look at these markings. Do you see his eyebrows? He's so cute. He's got brown legs and black on his back. He's got that perfect curl. And of course he has the brown like on his little chest, and underneath his chin is brown. We love him. He's from Pickles Litter, and he is the only one that is not reserved yet. So he's able to be matched with someone on our list. We just think he's the cutest thing. So we just wanted to share. Private message us via email to jonesgoatfarm@yahoo.com with any interest. Look forward to hearing from you. Say bye.